Hey everyone, Dave here. This is the new Jabra Perform 75. This is specifically designed for retail workers as there's some specific features about this headset which make it ideal for that environment. And of course, later on in this video, we're gonna test out the noise canceling microphone so you can hear the noise canceling performance for yourself. Now, before we get into the review, we just launched a new noise canceling software called Neep, which is an app you download on your computer so that you can block out background noises with any microphone or headset, such as barking dogs or people talking in the background, so you can ultimately have more effective phone calls without disruption. You can try Neep for free by going to neep.com. The Jabra Perform 75 is a Bluetooth wireless headset that utilizes Bluetooth version 5.3, and it will give you 20 hours of continuous talk time, or if you're using the push to talk functionality, you can have up to 50 hours of battery life on one full charge. The battery is quickly removed, and it's actually the fastest and easiest battery on any headset we've reviewed before, and we reviewed over 1,000 headsets on our YouTube channel, so that's saying something. Just pull out the battery and then snap it back into place, and the magnets pull it into position, and it's quite satisfying. It can be recharged two ways. One, with the included USB-C cable, plug it into the headset and then into your computer or a USB outlet. Or number two is you can buy a 10 charging array accessory, and then you pull out the battery and plug it into the charging array. It has a rating of 300 feet of wireless range, which was actually surprising to me because most Bluetooth headsets have about 100 feet of wireless range. So I tested it out and I was actually able to go quite a bit further than most other Bluetooth headsets, able to get coffee, even able to go outside before the headset started breaking out. I'd say you probably get closer to the 150 feet of wireless range in real world environments, but overall, pretty solid wireless range. Jabra's designed this headset for retail shift work, so you're able to easily remove the battery and put it into that charging array. They even have an accessory to store your headset on a holder, so there can be a station for all of your communication equipment, ultimately making it flexible for retail workers. They built the headset to be modular, so there's three main components. You have your headset, you have the headband that's adjustable, and also you have that easily replaceable battery, and all of them have a spot on them to mark a name or a number so you can easily identify which part belongs to who. It's worn over the head and will cover one ear, so it leaves your other ear open to hear your environment around you. You can wear it on the right ear or left ear, depending upon your preference, and the headband is adjustable, so you're able to customize the fit. Plus, there are two ear cushions that come included and swap out easily. You either have the leatherette ear cushion, or there's also a foam cushion that's easily swappable. I like that the headset is able to be easily removed from the headband. You can just pull it out and then just snap it back into the headband, which makes it convenient. Typically with a headset like this, you would lose out on functionality like the lift to mute functionality. However, with the Jabra Perform 75, you maintain that functionality even though you can disconnect the headband and the headset itself. And when you're on a phone call, you can lift that microphone boom up and it will mute the microphone. And then when you drop it back down, it will unmute it. Since it's designed for retail workers, Jabra's made the option to adjust the settings for the headset when you lift the microphone boom up. You can change it to a mode called face-to-face. If you can imagine someone in a retail store has a headset on talking to a customer, the distractions from the radio for your speakers could be quite distracting. So you can lift the microphone boom up. Not only will it mute your microphone, but it will turn off the speaker so you don't hear all the radio chatter, making it easier to have a conversation with the customer. And then when you're done with that conversation with the customer, you can drop down the microphone boom and resume the microphone and speaker functionality. It's made from this ruggedized silicone type material that feels durable. It also is much easier to clean with that silicone type material. You can just wipe it and it will be more sanitary. And it's also IP65 dust and water resistant. So So it's going to be able to handle even harsh environments, the back of a warehouse, even driving, and multiple conditions. Since it's a Bluetooth headset, it can be paired up to a smartphone or a Zebra device or any other Bluetooth enabled device retail workers use to enable push to talk functionality. If you use Zebra push to talk or Microsoft Teams walkie-talkie app, then the Jabra headset will work great. It even allows for custom apps. There's a Jabra SDK that can interact with the headset and the custom app if you want to take it to the next level. To pair it to your device, simply press the power button twice on the Jabra headset. Then you'll see the LED lights start to flash, letting you know the headset's in pairing mode. Then go to your smartphone or Bluetooth enabled device and go to the Bluetooth settings and select Jabra Perform 75 from the settings. And it's that simple. Otherwise, you can also use the NFC functionality. If you have a device that supports NFC, there's a spot on the headset and it can be paired that way as well. There are 4 large buttons on the headset. You have your volume up, volume down, your power on, off, or pairing button, and then you have a multifunction button. The main purpose for that typically is gonna be push to talk functionality, but you can program it through the Jabra Direct software in order to mute your microphone. You could interact with a Jabra SDK or a variety of different other options with the use of that button. And there's a USB-C port on the headset, and you can use this either to recharge your headset, or you can use it to plug into a computer to be programmed through the Jabra Direct software. You can plug in the headset to your computer and open Jabra Direct, which is a free app from Jabra, which allows you to update the firmware of the headset, see the status, and then change your preferences for the headset. The headset's specifically been designed to be used in a retail environment. If you can imagine a Home Depot or Target employee being able to communicate with the inventory staff in the back, front end, customer service, or managers are able to seamlessly communicate through using a high quality headset like this. However, I think there are also a lot of other use cases, such as truckers and warehouse workers that need a durable, water and dust resistant headset that has a high quality noise canceling headset. I think is also a good consideration for this particular headset. The speaker quality sounds good for phone calls, for push to talk radio calls. You're gonna have loud and clear voices. However, when it comes to listening to music, there's not much bass and music isn't gonna sound that great on this headset, but it's also not designed for that. One of the most important features of a headset, especially for these type of environments, is the noise canceling microphone. Jabra advertises this that it has a 99% background noise canceling microphone. But of course, here at Headset Advisor, we have to put it to the test. So have a listen to how well this noise canceling microphone performs.
All right, now this is the Jabra Perform 75 in a quiet environment. This is what it sounds like with the voice quality of the microphone. This is what it's going to sound like. Now, this is what it sounds like with typing going on in the background. This is what it sounds like with typing. And that's what it sounds like with typing. This is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like with barking dogs. This is what it sounds like with crying babies going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. All right, that's crying babies going on in the background. All right, now this is what it sounds like on the Jabra Perform 75 with a roaring loud blender. As you can see, the decibels are really high. This is what it sounds like with a blender on the Jabra Perform 75. All right, now this is what it sounds like outside with people playing in the background. This is what it's going to sound like on the Jabra Perform 75 outside.
What did you think of the microphone performance? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. The Jabra Perform 75 is actually a pretty unique headset. I think a lot of retail workers are going to really like this headset. Typically, Bluetooth headsets in general don't even have a replaceable battery, but with the Perform 75, you have a hot swappable battery that you can quickly and easily take out, put into your charging stand, take a new battery, and keep it moving so that your headset always has a full charge and ready to be used. It has a rugged and durable design that can handle harsh environments. You have those large buttons. The headset can be worn on the right or left side and still maintain that lift to mute functionality, which a lot of people are gonna like. Plus, the noise canceling microphone actually performs quite well. With that being said, the headset costs upwards of $300, which for a Bluetooth headset can be quite pricey. Now, for the specific use case of retail shift workers, truckers, people working in warehouses, having a headset that's durable, gonna be able to handle the environment, and be more effective on calls with that noise canceling microphone, you're going to have increased productivity, and especially because employees are typically the highest cost for most companies, you're going to save that valuable time in order to be more productive. For the latest price, you can shop on our website. Just go to headsetadvisor.com/perform75. That will take you to our website with the latest price. Make sure you use coupon code YouTube, all one word, in order to get the deepest discount on our website. If you're deploying these to a team of people, that's what we do here every day at Headset Advisor. We can help make sure this is the right recommendation for your unique situation, verify compatibility with your systems, make sure it'll work properly, and of course, get you demos so you can evaluate it for yourself to see how it works for you. Give our team a call, 800-683-5715, or info@headsetadvisor.com. Send us an email. We would love the opportunity to help. Well, that's all I got for you on this video. If you want to learn more about that Neep noise canceling software, we do have a full in-depth review video right up here. We test it against all sorts of background noise so you can hear the performance for yourself. Check that out. Other than that, that's all I got for you on this video. We'll see you on the next one.